Okay, here's a 950S Touring Multistrada just come in. 950S. It's got EvoTech Radguard on it. Ducati safety pack. We will clean it, so it's just come in through the door like this. Tyres good. Centre stand is unusually good, usually a little bit corroded. Oil is, as you can see, absolutely spotless. It has got the luggage, I'll show you that in a minute, but I just wanted to leave it off so you can see it's got a really nice Termi exhaust on it. They're kind of much nicer than they used to be, with a little billet alley end on them. So it's got that fitted, which is an extra. The MRA screen with a little flip top, bit of adjustment on it. Bike's in superb condition. Hard to find a mark on it. Right, they're the panniers. As you can see, I don't even think they've been used. Still got the labels on. The warning labels, and they arrived in those bags, not fitted to the bike. So they've been in storage, so you can see a couple of little marks from the storage on them, but nothing untoward. Little Rizoma cover there. Everything looks clean, tidy. Again, rear tyres really good. We will give the bike a clean, put a nice polish on it. All the usual stuff you get on these. You've got the heated grips there. Cruise control, different riding modes. Electronic suspension. Modes, how do you do that? ABS, traction control. It's in touring mode at the moment, but I know you've got a sport mode and an urban mode and enduro mode. It's got quick shifter on it. How to get to that? Exit. Menu. Traction controls, all adjustable. Oh, what are we doing? Riding mode, info mode. Trip full, city, off-road. Back. Pinko, lap, backlight, date and clock, units. Tyre calibration, I guess that means it's got a tyre pressure thing. Load mode, so if your two's up, you can turn that on. Different modes for the indicators. DQS, up and down. That must be quick shifter, so that's set to up and down. See that just there. DTC, traction control set to 5, ABS set to 3. So it's all adjustable, gear indicator. So all the electronics on this because it's the S model, and got the heated grips and centre stand, which I guess means it's touring. Starts on the button.